Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the recipe of fruit jelly custard pudding. This is easy to make and tastes delicious. It has a layer of fruit custard and jelly. Let's see how to make this easy pudding. First, I'm going to prepare thick custard. Take 10 tablespoons of custard powder. You can take any flavor custard powder. I have taken butterscotch flavored custard powder. Add in 1 cup of milk. Stir it nicely so that no lumps form. The custard powder slurry is ready now. I have taken 1 chopped banana, 1 mango, half a cup of pomegranate and a little piece of orange. For the custard, take 1 liter of milk in a saucepan. I have already taken 1 cup of milk from this to prepare custard powder slurry. Add in half can of condensed milk. Half can is 200 grams of condensed milk. Give it a stir so that it combines well. Add in half cup plus 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can adjust the quantity of sugar as per your wish. Once the milk boils, add in the custard powder slurry. Stir it continuously so that no lumps form. You could see the custard is thickening. Vegetarians also can try this pudding because this doesn't have egg. Cook the custard in medium flame and continue stirring. This is the right consistency of the custard. It took exactly 12 minutes for me to prepare this custard. Switch off the flame and stir it like this for 1 minute. Now add in the fruits. Mix it gently so that everything combines well. I'm transferring the thick fruit custard into this bowl. Refrigerate this fruit custard for 1 hour. I'm planning to set this pudding in this 2 dish. Next, let's prepare the jelly. To prepare the jelly, follow the instructions given on the cover, so each brand will vary. I have taken Foster Clark's brand. I'm just following the instructions given in the cover. I have taken 1 cup of water and boiling it. Once the water boils, add in the Foster Clark's jelly powder. If you're using Foster Clark's jelly means you can follow this instruction. Switch off the flame and continue stirring to cool it slightly. Now add in 1 cup of water and mix it nicely. I have taken the fruit custard out of the refrigerator. You could see the pudding has set perfectly. To the set fruit custard, add in the jelly. So the method to make jelly differs from brand to brand. Now place the pudding in refrigerator for 3 hours or until the jelly is set. Fruit custard jelly pudding is set perfectly. Do try this delicious easy pudding and share me the feedback. I prepared this pudding during Christmas along with chicken mandi. I'll leave the recipe of chicken mandi in the description below. I'll slice a piece of this pudding and show to you. We haven't added gelatin or china grass to set this pudding. Look at the texture of this pudding, friends. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.